Hello, darling. Do I look like the lady on my shirt? I have no idea what's wrong with me. Just in a really silly mood. Crazy almost. Okay, time to be serious. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Chaz, and welcome to Chatting with Chaz. For those of you who are returning, thanks so much for coming back. You have no idea how much I appreciate that. Today on Chatting with Chaz, we are going to talk about how to start eating healthy. This was by far one of the hardest things that I had to do. Because I'm a foodie. I love food. I love food. I love it. Like, one of my favorite things to do is go out to eat. That's a favorite thing of mine to do. Not shopping, not crafting or whatever people do for fun. I like to eat. I like to go out to eat. So, today I'm bringing you tips how to eat healthy. Or at least as healthy as you can. Because some places you go, I just don't care what you do. You just can't eat healthy. It's just not possible. Just can't do it. These tips that I'm going to bring you are at least going to help you get as healthy as you possibly can. Let's jump right into it. Okay. So for tip number 1, drink water. I know at this point you guys have got to be tired of hearing me and the rest of the 50 million people scattered across YouTube that's trying to tell y'all how to get healthy to drink water. So if you're not drinking your water by now, please drink your water. It's so important. It is the number one thing to be happy, to be healthy, to be fit, to eat healthy, to be productive, to be smart, to learn, to train. Drink your water. H2O. Hydrate, guys. Hydrate. Super important. Tip number 2, start with increasing your veggies first. So if you can't do anything else as far as eating healthy goes, try to at least increase your vegetables every single day. If you're not someone who can, buy fresh green beans or fresh heads of broccoli, try and opt for the frozen bags. I myself eat the frozen ones all the time. I love the little steamables in the bag. They're really easy, really convenient, and just take them and pop them in the microwave. Throw a little bit of salt on the top of them, and you're good to go. Tip number 3 is going to be cut out added sugars. So this was something else that I did the whole entire month of January. I could not add sugar to anything at all that I ate or that I drank. So if you are going to drink, tea, or you're going to drink coffee or anything like that, don't add any sugar to it. So I started by literally going to restaurants, and if I didn't drink water and maybe I wanted tea, I would order unsweetened tea with lemon, and I learned how to drink my tea without sugar in it. Or if I'm drinking coffee, maybe the only thing I would put in mine, which this is kind of still cheating, but I had to take baby steps. I would not add any sugar to my tea. I would only add creamer or unsweetened, like almond milk or something like that, to my coffee, just to kind of help with the flavor a little bit there as well. But any area that you can cut out adding sugar into something, stop doing that. Stop it. Stop. Tip number 4, replace the good with the bad. So again, this is another one of those areas that if I'm going to go and I have the option, Chick-fil-A. I have the option to eat regular nuggets or grilled nuggets. Start choosing the grilled nuggets, guys. Start choosing the grilled ones over the fried ones. Again, just making better choices. If I go to a restaurant and I have the opportunity to order a Philly cheesesteak or maybe a shrimp salad, go the shrimp salad route. I'm getting vegetables. I'm getting my, some good nutrients from those. maybe even choosing a light dressing may not make it as bad than I am with a hoagie full of greasy, and I don't do red meat, so I eat chicken, so I always get chicken Phillies. But a hoagie full of greasy chicken meat slaughtered in cheese and onions and mushrooms. Yeah, you're getting onions and mushrooms, but yeah, no, those are not the types of vegetables that we're talking about eating. Tip number 5, and this was something that really has helped me to eat healthier, and that's to meal prep. So I had no idea in the beginning. And meal prepping is not hard. It's like anything else. You just have to get a routine going for it. So I myself try to meal prep every Sunday. And sometimes I'll like freshen up my meals on Thursday, just to kind of last me throughout the rest of the weekend. But meal prep, meal prep, meal prep. Not only does it help you to control what you're eating, have it readily available at your fingertips, it also helps you save money. So by not eating out, you're saving money. By being able to go in the grocery store and you have a shopping list because you know what you're going to meal prep that week, you're less likely to overbuy or buy things that you don't really need or that you're not actually going to use. So meal prep, meal prep, meal prep. I am still trying to perfect this, but I'm a work in progress. Tip number 6, and this is my last tip, is to continue looking for inspiration. So again, I am someone who gets very bored with stuff very fast, and I like to constantly be looking for new recipes to try, new desserts that I can like make on my own that are more healthy, or just any type of things like that. So I usually will get on Pinterest to look for some things like that, or right here on YouTube. There's lots of people out here right now, you guys, that are killing the game with this healthy eating, healthy lifestyle type stuff. So get out there, reach out, see who you can find, and just get educated and continue to switch it up. Keep switching it up so that it doesn't get boring, it doesn't get old, and then you fall off like me. Don't do it. Don't do it. That's it, guys. Those are my 6 tips for how to start eating healthier. Those are the tips that I was able to use to really get me on the journey that I'm on right now. So those are my tips. Hopefully you found them helpful and that you'll be able to actually incorporate them into your life. If there are any tips that you guys use that help you to eat healthy, feel free to chat about it below in the comment section. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so now. I would love to have you here every Sunday when I post my videos. And if you like this one, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.